Welcome to Jantersand Studio, your trusted source of simplifying finance. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into Nairobi Securities Exchange, that is NSE, the Kenya's primary stock market. Whether you are new to investing or looking to expand your knowledge, we break down how NSE works and how to make money, and who the key players are. So let's get started. So a brief introduction of NSE. NSE stands for Nairobi Securities Exchange. It was established in 1954, one of Africa's vibrant stock markets, and it's a platform for wealth creation and investment diversification. So what is the NSE? NSE is a marketplace for trading financial instruments. These include stocks, which are shares, bonds or fixed income and corporate bonds, and derivatives. It connects companies seeking capital with investors. Investors are the people who come and buy shares. It is regulated by Capital Markets Authority, CMA. So how do you make money at NSE? One of them is by buying shares and selling shares, bonds, or derivatives. For shares, you make money by buying and selling stocks. They're also called shares or securities. So you make money by capital gains. This is where you buy at a low price and sell at a high price. So the difference is makes capital gains. You also make money through dividends. This is a portion of company's profit that is distributed to their shareholders. I'll be going into detailed explanation of how you can qualify for dividend, how dividend works, and how you can receive yours, and how much. So we'll be going through that. And also for capital gains, I'll be doing a practical video on how you can buy shares, show you the best price to buy at, and also the best price to sell at. So we'll be going through that. You can also make money investing in bonds. These are government bonds, also called fixed income, or through corporate bonds. The reason why they are called fixed income is because you earn a fixed amount of money, that is through regular payments of interest. So one way is through interest payments, which is regular returns from bonds. So when you are buying a bond, they will show you the coupon payments. Those are the interests that will be paid, and at what intervals it will be paid. Then at the maturity of that bond, you get back your money plus interest. If, however, you want to exit before maturity, you can sell your bond on secondary markets, where you sell to somebody else. And this way you can make money through capital gains, where you sell the bond at a higher price at secondary market. We will come to that when we are covering how to invest in government bonds. There is also trading in derivatives. Here you trade on futures, options, swaps. These are contracts based on underlying assets. We also have speculation and hedging. That's how you make money on derivatives, through profits from market movements. So we'll come to that when we are covering derivatives in details. So who are the key players in the NSE? One of them is Nairobi Securities Exchange. This is a central marketplace for trading. This is where you place your orders and they get executed. Then there is a Central Depository and Settlement Corporation, which is CDSC. This manages the electronic settlement of trades and also hold your shares in electronic form. Then we have Capital Markets Authority, CMA. They regulate and oversee the market. They are the ones who regulate brokers, they regulate NSE. They also vet the companies that come in for listing and all other players in the market. They make sure your investment is protected as the investor. We have stockbroker and investment banks. They are intermediaries between the investor and NSE. As a shareholder, you can't buy shares directly from NSE. You need a stockbroker who is licensed or an investment banker. They are the ones who will take your instructions, send them to NSE for execution, and confirm to you that the trade has happened. They are the ones also to receive money from you and send that money to CDSC for settlement to the person who sold your shares. Then we have investment advisors and fund managers. These ones, they provide expert advice in portfolio management. There are also the listed companies. These are the companies whose shares are traded at NSE. So how then do you start investing in the NSE? That's a main question as an investor you would be asking yourself. In the description of this video, I will leave a link to the full playlist of detailed process of how you buy shares. Right now, I'll just go through an overview, and at the end of this video, I'll also leave a link to the next video, which should be covering how to open an account with a stockbroker. So the first step is to choose a reputable stockbroker or an investment bank. So make sure they are licensed. You can always get that list from CMA website, NSE and CDSC. After you choose a stockbroker, then you need to open a CDSC account through that broker or the investment banker. As I said, there are those who are digital, like AIB Access Africa, where you don't need to fill in manual forms. You just send your digital KYC details. They verify with IPRS. I will leave a link in the description of this video how to open an account with them and the process and what you require. For others, you may need to go to the office physically, you fill in manual form. Then the step 3, you need to conduct a thorough research on the potential investment. That is the company you want to buy shares from. Again, you don't need to hustle through this series of videos. I'll be training you through that. So remember to subscribe on this channel and turn on notification. Then step 4 is to place an order now for the investment you have chosen. Let's say you have selected to buy Safaricom shares. Then you go and place the order either through manual forms, which you fill and send to the broker, or you use an online trading platform or a mobile app. AIB Access have both online platform and mobile app where you can trade from your comfort. Then step 5, you monitor your investments and always make sure you adjust your investment. It's called portfolio balancing, where you add more shares which are making you profit, and you can exit those ones which you have already made profit. You'll be going through that process. So when you're investing in a NSE, you need to be aware of any risks and any considerations. So you need to be aware of risks. So one of the risks is stock prices can be volatile. Maybe a counter is trading high today, tomorrow the price can go down. So you need to be aware that the shares you're buying today, they can go up, tomorrow they can go down. So always monitor, but never panic. Also, there are economic, political, and regulatory risks, which you may also need to be aware of. And also, you also need to consider your risk tolerance. Are you ready to lose money? Investment horizon. How far do you want to go with your investment? What is your goal? And financial goals. What is your gain in the stock market? So we'll come through that when we are doing dividends and other corporate actions at NSE. To conclude, as a recap, NSE is just a platform for wealth creation. Yes, for wealth creation. Remember, there are many opportunities available through stock trading, bonds, derivatives, IPOs. There is also stock trading and borrowing, and many other products that will be developed by NSE and also stock brokers. So with that, I want to thank you so much. You can check our blog. I will leave link in the description of this video. where you can learn more in details, and also step-by-step process of how to invest in the NSE. I'll also leave a link to playlists. All videos will be added there on stock market. Be sure to follow them, and my videos will be detailed. I will also use a layman language where I will not use terminologies. I will try as much as possible to break down any terminology that is used at NSE, so that it becomes easier for you to invest, make money, and also pass over that investment to your beneficiaries. So thanks so much for tuning in to Jantersand Studio. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit that like button there down. Remember to subscribe to our channel and also share it with anyone interested in investing. It's very important. We also help others to invest. Remember, if you're investing with the IB Access, they have a referral program. So if you're helping others to invest, you can also share your referral link with them. Be sure to check link in the description of this video. And for more in-depth articles and guides, remember to check our blog. I'll also be providing an ebook, a guide on stock market on my blog. And let's keep learning and growing together. And thank you so much. Let's meet in the next one. Thank you.